Hey there guys, welcome back to All Things Apple Plus. We have a great update for you guys today. iOS 13 Beta 2 has just been released and has now been linked with a developer profile. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link for the developer profile in the description down below. So make sure that you guys, if you do want iOS 13 on your device, make sure to check out this link. And then it's going to automatically prompt you to either install this on any of your Apple devices. So for me, it's going to ask and require if I want to install this profile, and then if I want to put it on my iPhone or my Apple Watch. I'm currently in the midst of a jailbroken device, so I'm still kind of deciding whether or not I want to run this developer beta. But as you can see here, the developer beta profile is currently on my device. This will link you. Credit goes all out to All I Talk Is Tech. I'm glad that he was able to link this. I'm just going to forward on his message. If you guys get a chance, please leave him a like and subscribe to his channel. And if you guys do decide to use the developer beta, you will have to restart your device, and then from there go into settings, software update, and you can update your software to iOS 13. This will void your jailbreak if you do have a jailbreak right now. Now that is the big question, is whether or not you want to get rid of your jailbreak for iOS 13 Beta 2, or if you want to keep your jailbreak and still enjoy the things that come from that. So there are a lot of pluses and minuses that come from that. Honestly, I think I'm going to go ahead and switch over to iOS 13. I think I've had a good amount of time on the jailbreak, and for me, not much has changed except for customizing my device and the way that the icons look now that dark mode is here and that there are other features on iOS 13. So nothing really sticks out to me. I do know that Coda Movies and all that sort of stuff, there's non-revocable apps, that also is a big one as well too. So if you are if you are looking to keep your applications like your Coda Movies or your Game Boy for iOS or your GBA for iOS or any other different applications, there's alternatives to those, but you will lose the ability to keep or to have those non-revocable apps on your device. So there's just pluses and minuses that go with losing your jailbreak and gaining a new OS. So I'm going to leave it up to you guys. If that's something that you want to do, go ahead and hit the link, install the developer beta, hit settings, and go into software update after you've restarted your phone, and you should be prompted in installing iOS 13. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on my other videos on all things Apple Plus, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.
That means extra, extra, extra.